Irashaimase. Like izakaya.
This video is for people that have never tried sushi and want to know where to start, or for people that have a family or friend that's so scared to try sushi. I believe sushi is one of the best cuisines out there and has something for everyone, even if you don't want to eat raw fish. However, I do believe that a lot of sushi is an acquired taste, and if you start eating the wrong kind of fish, you're gonna have a bad time. So for beginners to sushi, I have 3 recommendations to ease yourself into this deep cuisine. These are: start with what is familiar, try aburi sushi, and try maki rolls or hand rolls. So to start with what is familiar, I believe for most people this is salmon, tuna, and shrimp. I think most people have tried these at some point in their life, and it's better to start with these fish you already are familiar with the taste of, because a lot of other sushi can have a funky acquired taste, like uni for example. So best to start with what you are familiar with. So you go to the sushi shop, you order salmon, and you get this sushi with this huge chunk of raw salmon on it. I think this visual of a giant piece of raw fish can be pretty scary to some people because they think raw fish is going to get them sick or a parasite or something. But in Japan, there's a lot of regulation around seafood, and it is all inspected multiple times for toxins or microbes that could cause illness in people. So you can enjoy sushi with peace of mind. For more info on this, I'm going to link an article down below about what the inspection process is. But even knowing all this, people can still have a built-up resentment for eating raw fish. So we come to my second recommendation, which is to try aburi sushi. Aburi means to grill, so this is sushi that's literally the chef takes a blowtorch and grills salmon, tuna, eel, flounder, and more. You can all order aburi, so you don't actually have to eat raw fish, and it's totally delicious. I eat these all the time. Additionally, you have other non-raw choices like boiled shrimp, egg, and cucumber. These are all great choices for people that don't want to eat raw fish. I even took my mom, who is deeply against eating raw fish, to a sushi place in Japan, and she just got cucumber sushi and miso soup and had an amazing dinner just eating this. So you can totally go to a sushi place and enjoy a whole dinner without eating any raw fish. My third recommendation for sushi beginners is to try maki or hand rolls. These are sushi where the fish is rolled up in rice and seaweed, and it has a much milder fish taste, and you can build up your palate for raw fish. So there you have it, my 3 recommendations for beginners to sushi. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment, and if you want to see more content like this, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Please go out and enjoy some sushi.